If you're a homeowner, landlord, or property managers, or even a general contractors, and you're not using this tool that I'm about to show you, you are leaving money on the table. Let's take a look at this fantastic job that just got completed today. It's a beautiful home up in New Jersey. The clients needed a complete change of paint of the facade. This is the front, and this is the finished product. This is the color that they pick. Now, the way how this transaction took place is the clients had no idea how much it's going to cost. So he came to Chorleaf, posted a job with no budget, and then waited to see what the actual market price will be for that particular job. Surprised to see that he was getting a few bids, and then he decided to get engaged right away with conversation with the two vendors that bid on the job, anywhere ranging from $450. The other one is $1,200. That's crazy when you actually look at that. And some of you probably professional painters out there thinking this would have probably cost like 3 to 4,000. Maybe homeowners are thinking even more than that. But when you actually create a community between the customers and the contractors and in providing infrastructure for them to easily, frictionally connect and communicate, this makes miracle. So I want you to think of it, if you're a homeowner right now or landlord or property manager, and you're sitting in that small project that you've been postponing to take care of just because you were crazy and getting some ridiculous bid, try Chorleaf. See for yourself how competitive those prices you're going to get. And by the way, these vendors come highly recommended. And plus, we only keep really good quality standards in our platform. So let me show you one more thing. So when the job is completed, we always ask the customers to rate their experience. And we're so pleased to see that the clients at this time was so happy with Mike that he even left them a 5-star rating reviews and a review. Mike was very professional, friendly, dependable, and we use him again and recommend him if you need a handyman. This goes to say, people used to go to word of mouth, call your cousin, your neighbors, your grandma, and ask her for recommendations. Then now they go to social media and post recommendations, and you get in complete recommendations from complete strangers, and you still end up paying top premium rates. But what we build here is we're putting these recommendations in the palm of your hand. You don't have to ask anyone. You don't have to ask your grandma, your neighbors who did their fence or who paint their houses. You can come to us and we'll make sure that we connect you with people in your area that do what you're looking for. Now, the safety for both sides of these equations is Mike has the incentive to complete the work first, faster, so he can get paid. Because every time a job is scheduled, money gets held in escrow. So Mike knows that he won't get paid till he actually finishes the work, and he has to make sure that he satisfies the client before the payment gets processed and released directly to his bank account. So in essence, what we're doing, we're taking all the business day-to-day operations and we take care of the paperwork so the contractors can just go out there and do a fantastic job and do what they love best. So if you have a project that you've been postponing for so long just because you worry how much it's going to cost, first and foremost, Chorleaf is free. So if you even want to get a price data and just to get some numbers in mind, just try Chorleaf, post a job, see what the actual your community decide what that fair price for you. And then we do anything from cleaners, handyman, landscaper, movers. So if you're a landlord specifically and you have self-manage your own rental properties, this will completely eliminate that burden, that hassle for you, that every time you have a call in the middle of the night or on the weekends, we all know how frustrating that, and you have to take care of your tenant. That's the law, but it's also moral law that you need to be making sure that your tenants are completely taken care of. Now, also for the Airbnb, the short rentals, the vacation rentals, this has also created a great benefit for you guys to have this a part of your business. Not only will save you time, but it also will save you tons of money, as you have seen from the previous job. And also, if you're contractors and if you're hardworking and you love what you do, we'd love to have you join our ecosystem. We're not like Home Advisors or Thumbtack. We're not going to charge you anything. We're not going to sell you leads. We're actually going to send you the real jobs. And if you actually agree to them and the client decide to hire you, we'll take care of all the paperwork. And that's when we take a small nominal fee at the end. We want you to succeed first. We want to create a culture where everybody wins. When we built this platform, we had two things in mind. One, we want to make sure that you're empowered, that your needs are being taken care of on time, on budget. Number two, we want to make sure that people in your community that are doing the work is also being taken care of. But don't just take my word for it. Check out Chorleaf.com. Download the app, post a job. Even though you just window shopping or you're looking for just pricing just to have an idea, I guarantee you that you're going to find some top tier talents that are willing to come out of their way to help you with what you need. at a price that you can afford. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button. So anytime we put some content, you're the first one to know. And also feel free to share this video so other people can actually take advantage of what we built here, and hopefully we can help them whether put food on the table or take care of those painful tasks that they have at home. Until then, this is Tariq, and thank you for watching.